Implementation of ISO 9001, ISO 14001 and ISO 45001 for small vehicle dismantling and scrap recycling businesses. Hello and welcome. In today's session, we will understand how small scale businesses involved in dismantling used vehicles and processing steel scrap can successfully implement three important international standards: ISO 9001 2015 Quality Management System, ISO 14001 2015 Environmental Management System, and ISO 45001 2018 Occupational Health and Safety Management System. These standards are not only for large industries. Even small businesses dealing with scrap dismantling, recycling, and material recovery can implement them effectively. In fact, implementation of these standards helps small businesses to improve operational efficiency, reduce waste and environmental impact, ensure worker safety, increase customer trust and business credibility, open doors to national and international buyers. Today we will understand each standard in simple language and how they can be applied practically in a scrap dismantling and recycling facility. Then now next, understanding the business context. Let us first understand the type of business we are talking about. A typical small scale vehicle dismantling unit purchases end of life vehicles, dismantles engines, body parts, wiring tires, segregates ferrous and non-ferrous metals, processes steel scrap for resale or recycling, handles oils, fluids, batteries and hazardous waste. This type of business involves heavy manual work, cutting, welding and mechanical dismantling, environmental risks like oil leakage and scrap waste, safety risks like injuries, fire hazards and exposure to chemicals. This is why ISO standards become extremely important. ISO 9001 2015 Quality Management System. Now let us understand ISO 9001 2015. ISO 9001 is about ensuring consistent quality in your processes and services. What does quality mean here? In a scrap business, quality means proper segregation of materials, accurate weighing and grading of scrap, transparent purchasing and selling processes, consistent output quality for buyers, proper documentation of incoming and outgoing materials. Then key requirements of ISO 9001 in scrap business. Process identification. First, you must identify your core processes: vehicle procurement, dismantling process, segregation of materials, storage of scrap, sales and dispatch. Then documentation system. Maintain records like vehicle purchase records, scrap inventory logs, customer sales invoices, process inspection sheets. Then customer satisfaction. Even in scrap business, customer matter. Steel mills, recycling plants, local traders. You must ensure timely delivery and correct material quality. Then continuous improvement. Always ask, can dismantling be faster? Can segregation be more efficient? Can material loss be reduced? Then practical implementation steps. For small businesses, first create simple SOPs for dismantling and sorting. Second, train workers on standard procedures. Third, maintain basic registers or digital logs. Fourth, conduct monthly internal checks. Fifth, improve process based on findings. Then ISO 14001 2015 Environmental Management System. Now let us move to this standard, ISO 14001. This standard focuses on protecting the environment and reducing pollution. Scrap businesses have significant environmental responsibilities. Environmental aspects in scrap business. 4.1. Key environmental risks include used oil leakage from engines, battery acid disposal, metal waste and plastic waste, air pollution from cutting and burning, soil contamination. 4.2 ISO 14001 requirements. A. Identify environmental impacts. You must list what waste is generated, how it affects environment, where pollution risks exist. B. Waste management system. Proper segregation of ferrous metals, non-ferrous metals, hazardous waste, plastic and rubber. Then C. Legal compliance. Follow pollution control board requirements, waste disposal rules, hazardous waste handling guidelines. Then D. Pollution control measures, oil collection systems, proper drainage, scrap storage areas, dust and emission control. 4.3 Practical implementation steps. First, create waste segregation zones. Second, label hazardous waste clearly. Store oils and fluids in containers. Fourth, partner with authorized recyclers. Fifth, maintain environmental records. Then next is ISO 45001 2018 Occupational Health and Safety. Now let us discuss ISO 45001. This is one of the most important standards for scrap and dismantling businesses. It focuses on worker safety and accident prevention. 5.1 Common risk in scrap dismantling units. Cuts from sharp metal, heavy lifting injuries, fire hazards from fuel tanks, exposure to chemicals, machine accidents, eye and respiratory hazards. 5.2 ISO 45001 requirements. A. Hazard identification. You must identify all workplace hazards, risk levels, affected workers. B. Risk control measures. Use of PPE, helmets, gloves, shoes, goggles, machine guarding, safe dismantling procedures, fire safety equipment. C. Worker training. Safety induction, machine handling training, emergency response training. D. Incident reporting. Record accidents, investigate root cause, take corrective actions. 5.3 Practical implementation steps. First, provide PPE to all workers. Second, display safety instructions on site. Conduct weekly safety checks. Fourth, train workers regularly. Fifth, maintain accident logs. Sixth, integrated management systems approach. See, instead of implementing three systems separately, small businesses can combine them into an integrated management system. This means one documentation system, one audit system, one training system. Benefits: saves time, reduce cost, easier to manage, better compliance. Example, one SOP can include quality plus safety plus environmental steps for dismantling a vehicle. Then next is implementation roadmap for small businesses. Step-by-step approach. Step 1, gap analysis. Understand current practices versus ISO requirements. Step 2, documentation. Prepare simple manuals and SOPs. Step 3, training. Train workers on processes and safety. Step 4, implementation. Start applying systems on ground. Step 5, internal audit. Check compliance internally. Step 6, certification audit. Final external audit and certification. Now, benefits for scrap and dismantling businesses. Implementing ISO standards bring better market reputation, higher scrap value realization, improved safety and fewer accidents, environmental compliance, easier business expansion, trust from large buyers and exporters. Even small businesses become globally competitive. At last, to conclude, ISO 9001, ISO 40001, and ISO 45001 are not just certificates. They are structured systems that improve how you work, how you manage safety, how you protect the environment, and how you deliver consistent quality. For small businesses in vehicle dismantling and scrap recycling, these standards are a powerful tool for growth and sustainability. If implemented properly, even a small unit can operate like a well-organized industrial system. Thank you for watching. If you found this useful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more practical ISO implementation guidance. Thank you.